Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best little Tikes first tool bench is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little builder, offering a fantastic way for them to explore their creativity and develop fine motor skills through imaginative play. This sturdy and colorful workbench comes packed with accessories that mimic real tools, allowing toddlers and preschoolers to hammer, screw, and saw to their heart's content, all in a safe and durable environment designed specifically for small hands. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to learning about cause and effect, problem solving, and the satisfaction of creating something with their own two hands, making it an invaluable addition to any playroom or backyard. Number 5. Little Tikes Easy Store Junior Picnic Table with Umbrella. This picnic table is designed just right for your younger children. It's the ideal size for them to enjoy their own special space. Need to move it or put it away? It easily unlocks and folds up, making it super portable and simple to store. No tools needed. Enjoy outdoor fun with the stylish umbrella that provides UV protection. It keeps your little ones shaded during playtime. Setting it up or taking it down is a breeze. You won't need any tools, so you can start the fun right away. This table comfortably seats up to 4 children. It's perfect for playdates or family gatherings in the backyard. It's designed for children from 18 months up to 5 years old. This provides a safe and fun spot for them to gather. What we like. This picnic table is perfect for outdoor fun. If you have a backyard and want a dedicated space for your little ones to eat or play outside, this is a great option. Its easy storage and included umbrella make it a convenient choice for sunny days. What people say. The Little Tikes first tool bench has a sturdy construction that holds up well to enthusiastic play. It includes a variety of tools and accessories, such as a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, that are perfectly sized for little hands. The workbench features a built-in storage area for all the tools, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Number 4. Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy. Introducing the Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy. It's a fun and engaging way for your child to explore their creativity. This toy encourages hands-on learning and imaginative play. Your child can pretend to be a handy helper. Crafted with high-quality, child-safe materials, it's built to last through countless adventures. You can be assured of its safety. It helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Watch as they learn to use the tools. This toolbox is an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It provides hours of entertainment and educational fun. What we like. This is a fantastic starter tool set. If your child enjoys mimicking adult activities and needs a simple, portable option to take their pretend play anywhere, this is the one. It's great for little hands to explore basic tools. What people say. The Little Tikes first tool bench has a sturdy construction that holds up well to enthusiastic play. It includes a variety of tools and accessories, such as a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, which are perfectly sized for little hands. The workbench features a built-in storage area for all the tools, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Number 3. Little Tikes Tough Workshop Beige. Introducing the Little Tikes Tough Workshop in a stylish beige. It's designed for endless hours of creative play. This workshop comes complete with a play hammer, wrench, a built-in saw, and a vice clamp. Everything a young builder needs to get started. Using the hammer and nails helps develop crucial hand-eye coordination skills. It's a fun way to learn and grow. The saw makes realistic, cutting sounds as children work with the plywood boards. It adds an extra layer of fun to their projects. Keep everything tidy with the included peg board and hooks for tool storage. A sliding door below reveals even more space for their creations. Crafted for durability and safety tested, this workshop is built to last. It ensures long-lasting and secure playtime for your child. What we like. This workshop offers a more robust pretend play experience. If you're looking for a durable option with integrated features like a saw and vise, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who love to build and fix, with handy storage to keep things tidy. What people say. The Little Tikes first tool bench has a sturdy construction that holds up well to enthusiastic play. It includes a variety of tools and accessories, such as a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, which are perfectly sized for little hands. The workbench features a built-in storage area for all the tools, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Number 2. Play 22 Kids Tool Set Bench 76 PC. Introducing a comprehensive 76-piece tool set designed to spark creativity and learning. This set provides all the basic, realistic tools your child needs to build and repair, just like a real handyman. This educational toy encourages motor skills, coordination, and imagination. It's perfect for fostering creative play, whether they're playing alone or with friends, indoors or outdoors. Equip your young builder with everything they need. The set includes a workbench, electronic drill, hammer, saw, and a variety of accessories for countless construction adventures. Designed to be compact and lightweight, this tool bench is easy to carry. Take the fun and creativity to the park, the beach, or just the backyard. It's the perfect travel buddy. Meet all U.S. safety standards with this non-toxic, BPA-free, and lead-free toy. It's built for safe, long-lasting play for boys and girls. Looking for a great gift? This premium play tool set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering hours of engaging and educational fun for toddlers and young children. What we like. This is an extensive and engaging tool set. If you want to equip your child with a wide variety of realistic tools, including an electronic drill, this is an excellent choice. Its portability makes it perfect for kids who love to take their projects on the go. What people say. The little Tikes First Tool Bench is a great toy for toddlers, with a sturdy design and plenty of accessories. My son loves playing with this tool bench. He can spend hours pretending to be a handyman. The tool bench is easy to assemble and the pieces are the perfect size for little hands. Number 1. Yiosion Musical Learning Tool Workbench Toys. Introducing the Yiosion Musical Learning Tool Workbench. It's packed with 7 adorable tools, 5 fun songs, shape sorters, and flashing lights to keep little hands busy. This interactive workbench helps your child learn colors, numbers, and shapes through engaging sounds and music. Early music exposure can boost brain development. Encourage pretend play and help your child experience life with this deluxe activity toy. It's designed to spark their imagination and develop essential skills. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free ABS plastic, this toy is built to withstand even the most enthusiastic play. It's the perfect first workshop playset. Looking for a gift for a 1, 2, or 3-year-old? This musical learning workbench is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. Designed for children 18 months and up, this sturdy workbench is ready for any building adventure they can dream up. What we like. This workbench is designed for very young children and learning. If you have a toddler aged 1 to 3 and want a toy that combines basic tool play with educational elements like music and shape sorting, this is a wonderful choice. It's built for safety and early development. What people say. The tool bench has a built-in drill that spins and makes realistic sounds. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, all sized perfectly for little hands. The storage bin underneath is great for keeping all the tools organized when playtime is over. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.